OMP route advertisements. Cisco vEdge routers collect routes they learn from directly connected networks, static and dynamic routing protocols that run in the site local environment. These routes are then advertised to all OMP peers to controllers along with the corresponding TLOC next hops. The routes that represent reachability information are referred to as OMP routes or just vRoutes to distinguish them from traditional IP routes. However, vEdge is also advertised to vSmart all locally attached services that are running in the site local network. Services include load balancers, firewalls, IDS intrusion detection systems, and could also be customer-defined ones. The vSmart controllers learn the topology of the overlay fabric and all available network services through these OMP route advertisements coming from vEdges. As it is visualized in figure, vEdge routers advertise three types of routes via the Overlay Management Protocol OMP. To the vSmart controllers, OMP routes, also referred to as vRoutes, are prefixage learned at the local site via connected interfaces, static routes, and dynamic routing protocols such as OSPF, EIGRP, and BGP running on the service side of the vEdge. These prefixage are redistributed into OMP and advertised to the vSmart controller, so that they can be carried across the overlay fabric to all other OneEdge nodes. OMP routes resolve their next hop to a TLOC. An OMP route is installed in the forwarding table only if the next hop TLOC is known and there is a BFD session in upstate associated with that TLOC. TLOC routes advertise transport locators of the connected WAN transports, along with additional attributes such as public and private IP addresses, color, TLOC preference, site ID, weight, tags, and encryption keys. Service routes advertise embedded network services such as firewalls and IPS that are connected to the vEdge local site network.
Thank you for watching. In next video we will learn about OMP routes.